Howdy everyone. I've been trying to make a video at least 5-6 times now. I've been chasing after stripers. I'm here on LBI and they're just not really down here in numbers yet, but hopefully soon. There's a lot of weather conditions and patterns that have, kind of raised the hopes that they'll push down here. But with that said, I'm ready to shake the skunk and get on a bite that I know is hot, which is tog. And right now it's just been on fire really through October and now into November. So I'm gonna fish here for about 3 hours. I don't have too much time today, but let's see what we get on. I don't know if I'm gonna keep any, if I do get any keepers. But if I do get a really big one, maybe I will get it weighed in for this surf fishing classic. So I'll catch you out on the rocks. I got a normal setup, bank sinker, then on up a little bit, 2-0 octopus circle hook, and that'll do it for today. I got sand crabs and I have green crabs. So I'm gonna throw a sand crab on first and see what the bite's like. All right, tide's low. And it's rising right now, so I'm gonna try to toss it out a little bit, get in that deeper pocket. I'm off to an absolutely horrendous start. I've gotten snagged 3 times, I've lost 3 rigs, and I've just been retying with hardly any bites at all. Hopefully my luck changes. Yeah, remember when I said that tog bite was hot? It's not. It's not good today. That was my first good bite and it's been about like an hour. So hopefully it picks up from here, but we'll see. That's a good one. It's an okay one. There we go, there's number 2 on the board. Yet again, going back. Tossing in some sand crabs here to try to stir up the bite a little bit. That's a good one. Definitely pulling out big ones, but not as big as I want it to be. Hopefully they keep getting bigger. At this point, I tied so many rigs that I feel like I became a professional knot tire. This is probably the smallest one of the day. Oh, he's snagged. Sorry, buddy. Try to cast this farther. Maybe they're out more. So I'm making my way back to my car. That spot just bite totally shut off at a certain point. I was getting bites every now and then, but it wasn't sufficient. So I'm just gonna head back kind of towards this wall over here, finish up the few sand crabs I have left, and then call it a day. We'll see what happens, but I'm hoping that the result's good. So on this side of the inlet, I was getting a lot of bites in this one particular spot. But the bait thieves were out in numbers and they just kept stealing my bait. But on top of that too, there was just a ton of weeds over here that I just kept pulling up. But then I was finally able to land one. It was a semi-successful morning. I caught about probably 6 fish total, which, you know, isn't amazing for tog, but all the fish were of quality size. Some days tog is just you're reeling in fish after every single drop, and other days it's you really got to work for the bite. But that's really any kind of fishing. You can say that about any kind of fish. But yeah, it was fun. It was great being outside, and it was a beautiful morning, so you can't ask for much more than that. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.